Hi guys, this is Maria. So today I will be showing you how to make a Scrabble tile name magnets. It's like this one. There you go. That one doesn't have a magnet yet. It could also be an ornament or a magnet. So let's get started. So I have a blank piece here and I'm using a popsicle stick. It's the large one, it's the tongue depressor kind. So here I'm just gonna complete the name Lucas. There you go. Alright, and then set that aside. I will glue the blank piece here. I ran out of blank, so this is actually a letter D that I used the sanding paper. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I use popsicle sticks for backing, that way they don't fall off or they don't collapse. Alright, so there's the first one. Alright, that's how it looks in the back. Okay, second, letter L. Just press it down. They don't have to be 100% even, guys, you know, I mean, it's a handcrafted item, so see. A. And S. All right, so we're at the end with the letter S. So now we have this, just clean that out. Remove all those glue remnants there. Okay. So now we have this leftover thing, and okay, I don't recommend this for children. Okay, this is just for adults. This is a sharp knife. It's actually a serrated knife. So I'm just gonna cut the end right here. All right, and I'm gonna get a plier and just bend that. There you go. So now I have this leftover hairy thing. So I'm just gonna get the sandpaper and sand it clean. So now we're gonna add a baseball button. This is a button, plastic buttons that I bought. I just removed the little hook on there with a pair of scissors. So we're gonna go ahead and put glue right here and put the baseball button carefully. Kind of turn it a little. There you go. All right. So we're just gonna let everything dry. We'll let the glue dry a little, and then we can add the magnets. So for this, I'm using this magnetic buttons that I bought from, I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. So there's 52 in a pack, and I think this is $8, I think, for a pack of 50. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 2. There you go. They're pretty strong magnets. So I'm gonna put one on this corner. And put another here. And there you go. Our magnet is done. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on these orders. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.